What does $2,500 a month actually get you in Edmonton in 2026? Well, this is where things start to get really interesting. Hey friends, my name is Leanna Martins, your best Edmonton real estate agent. And if you might be thinking about buying or selling, click the link below to join my free buyer and seller academies. They are packed with community tours, market stats, in-depth how-tos, and they are designed to make you smart, my friends, not sold. So let's frame this properly. So we're assuming around $2,500 a month all in, and the interest rate is going to be about 5 to 6%, which is a little bit high depending on where someone's at. So that puts your purchase price roughly around $375 to $475. So this is where you're going to move from kind of entry-level townhome duplex into some choice and a little bit more freedom. So you're going to get to upgrade that townhome. At this level, the townhomes get better, and the areas you're going to see this are Windermere, Keswick, Ambleside, Chappelle, Allard, Glenridding, Secord, Rosenthal. And what can you expect to get at this price? Well, you're going to get a 2 or 3 bedroom. So previous price point is going to be about 2. You're going to get into a 3, and they're going to be bigger, right? So 13 to 1,600 square feet, attached garages, brand new. These are highly desirable for a first-time home buyer, maybe a move-up buyer from a condo, for example. Now, also you can get duplexes and newer builds. So this is a big upgrade. This is where things really start to open up and you feel like you get a little bit more choice. So locations are really strong communities. Orchards, Summerside, Laurel, Tamarack, Durocher, Heritage Valley, Stillwater, West Secord. And what you get, my friends, you get brand new 3 bedrooms, modern layout, open concept. You can get front attached duplex for sure, larger yard. This is where a lot of buyers end up landing because it's newer, there's less maintenance, you get a warranty, it's pretty new and shiny, and they all have family-friendly communities. Hey, if you might be considering a move here in the next 6 months, reach out to me direct at leanna@martinsgroup.ca for a one-to-one strategy session. I promise that I'm going to reply to every inquiry that comes in. And I help many YouTube viewers that are just like you. Now, let's talk about detached. So at a $2,500 a month budget, you are officially in the detached game, my friends. So areas that you could find would be Maple, Tamarack, and Laurel. Those are brand new home construction. Not a lot of amenities. Allard, Chappelle, Secord, Edgemont for sure, Trumpeter. So let's talk about what's in these homes. What's the features? So 3 to 4 bedrooms, 13 to 1,600 square feet, yard, detached garage a lot if it's going to be new home construction. If it's a little bit older, you can get a front double attached garage. So this is where lifestyle upgrades start to happen. So you're going to get more space, more square footage, larger yard. Now let's talk about maybe older West Central or Northeast homes. So you can also shift your strategy here. So if you're not wanting brand new home construction, because maybe you want finished basements, and maybe you like mature trees, you could do a McQueen Park, Matt Berry. These are going to be built in the 2000s. Ozerna, Rappers, Willigan, McConaughey. These are built in the 2000s. Inglewood's going to be built in the 1950s. So what you get, you're going to get 1950s renovations or 2000s with newer communities. Way larger lots, finished basements, closer to downtown, complete amenities built out, close to schools. The trade-off is going to be age, renovation, and potential maintenance. So what changes at $2,500 a month? Here's the key shift from $2,000 a month to $2,500 a month is you really move from what can I get to what's the best option for me. You now have more neighborhood choice, better property types, and because you're into detached inventory. And when you're at $2,500 a month, here's a few things to consider. So look at duplexes and newer detached. I'd consider prioritizing family-friendly, high-demand communities. So these are going to be anything outside of the Anthony Henday that's built in the last 10 years. Think about resale definitely from day one, right? That's how you're going to turn a home into a stepping stone and an investment opportunity for your family, not a trap. And if you might be thinking of buying or selling in the next 6 months, email me, friends. Leanna@martinsgroup.ca for a one-to-one strategy call. Promise I respond to all inquiries. And again, I work with YouTube viewers just like you, so don't be shy. So thanks for watching. And if you like this video, you are gonna love the Rutherford Community Tour. It is right in this price point of $2,500 a month. So why not see if it's a community that you might love and wanna live in? I'll see you in the next video.